Hey everyone, how's it going? So I've been showing you guys a lot of videos lately on how to draw Venom and Carnage and in different poses and different styles. And I've been getting a lot of requests to do anti-venom. So I thought it'd be fun to show you guys how to draw anti-venom in today's video. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with anti-venom, we're going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to start by making a little line that comes up. And then we're going to go back, and we're going to bring it down like this, so they're kind of evil looking. Do the same thing over here. We'll leave a little bit of space. We'll just kind of go up. We're going to bring them back, down, and in. Then we're going to make little lines right above them. Now starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go out and in, and then one over here we're going to go out and then in. Make a couple more little lines that come down and in. And then we're going to draw two lines that come in like this. Then we're going to curve it around to connect it. Starting here, we're going to draw some pointed teeth like this on the top. And we're going to make some really big pointed teeth down here at the bottom. Then we're going to draw some lines down to connect it. Then I'm going to make some lines underneath here and some lines that come up. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out on each side. We're going to come in, and we're just going to curve it around. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then up. And then same thing over here. We're just going to go out, and then we're going to bring it up a little bit higher. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that curves up. I'll make another line that's going to curve out and then up. Draw a line that's going to come down and around. We're going to make a line that's going to come down, and we're going to give it a nice big point on here for one of his fingers. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up. We're going to go down to a point, and we're going to put some smaller points on the back and then bring it in. I'm going to bring this line up to a point and then back down. And I'm going to do this a couple more times. Another point here. Then I'm going to bring this up, and we're going to come down to here. Make another line that's going to come up, and make a nice long point, comes back, and another one here. I'll draw a little curved line here, and we'll make a line that's going to come down here. Make a line that's going to come out, a couple points, and we'll make another one of those really long fingers. Line that's going to come up, we're going to come down, and as we bring it back, we're going to put more of those points on it. Make some more lines that come up and down, and a few more over here. Another little line here. Then I'm going to bring this line up. We're bringing it up a little bit higher, and we're going to bring it down here. We're going to connect it. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to come up and it's going to curve in a little bit. And then we're going to bring it up here for like that's one of his legs. Now this other one's going to be a little bit shorter, so we're going to bring this one down. We're going to bring it up and back up here. So it looks like he's kind of coming at you. Draw a couple long lines down here. Little spots right here to show where the knees are. Now he's going to have some long kind of tentacles coming out of here. So we're going to make some long kind of pointed tentacles coming out, very similar to like what Carnage would have. But these are going to be a little bit more pointed and not going everywhere. So we're going to draw some of these on here. And then put a couple more. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. I'm going to curve it around. And we're going to make some little points on it. We're going to do the same thing over here. And we're going to add some little lines above it. Now that we got our basic shape, let's come in here and add some of the details. So for our stripes, we're going to come down and then in. Then we're going to go down and then in again. Add a little curved line around here. Same thing here, down and in, down and in. And then we'll do the same thing over here too. That's kind of where those little spider markings are. Do another one that goes up. We're going to make it come down to a point and back up. We'll do the same thing over here, just come down to a point and back up. Then he's going to have a couple long ones coming out of his legs as well. We'll put like 2 over here to break it up. Then I'm just going to come in here and add a few little broken lines in some different spots. Just to kind of help, you know, break up things, make things look a little more detailed and interesting. Put a couple lines underneath his mouth. And there you go. There is your drawing of Antivenom. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.